Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to run Deepseek and Qwen locally on your computer. Completely no internet required. For this, you need to download the LLM Studio. LLM Studio is a powerful desktop application that allows you to run large language model directly on your local machine. First of all, go to the LLM Studio website and download the appropriate version for your operating system. If you have Mac, download the Mac version. If you have Windows or Linux, download the respective version. I have a Mac, so I will download the Mac version. Once downloaded, install LM Studio on your device. After installing, open the application and go to the Discover section. Here we have search icon. Click on it. From there, choose the Deepseek and Qwen models that are compatible with your device. My MacBook can run the 8 billion version, so I will download that. Next, click on download icon and run the selected model. Now we have Deepseek AI running locally. To test it, I will turn off my Wi-Fi and ask it some questions. First, let's say hi. You can see it's already thinking. Here we have the answer. Hi, how can I assist? Now I want to ask for some simple website code. Let's see whether it can generate the code or not. Oh, it's thinking. Wow, it works. You can see that my Wi-Fi is off. It provides additional detailed information just like other online AI models. Now I want to switch to Qwen AI. From here, we can change the model. Since I have already downloaded the Qwen, that's why it appears in the list. If you haven't downloaded, it won't be visible. Let's run Qwen. I also want to give some prompts to Qwen. Let's say, can you make me a website in React? Oh, it's processing. And it has started generating an answer. By the way, this is a 14 billion parameter model, so it provides a bit more detailed information. The higher the number of parameter, the better the AI performs and the more detail it provides. Here we have chat history just like other online AI models. You can rename or delete it. There are power users and developer option, but by default it is set to power users and it works fine. If you want to stop this AI model, there is an eject button. You can click it, but I won't click it this time because it's running. In the setting, you can change the color theme of the app as well as your device information. You can also adjust the CPU and GPU usage. As you can see, it provides a detailed React app code. This is a great for anyone who wants to use AI without sharing their data online. So if you guys found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI related updates and tutorial videos. See you in next one.